Welcome to Hands-On Equations, Fractions Level 2, Lesson 8. In this lesson, we are going to practice using our negative number cubes to solve an equation. So our first problem is 5/3 of y equals negative 20. So in this problem, since my fractional value is 1/3, I will be solving for 1/3 of y for y and then completing the check. So I set up the problem here. So we have 5 of our 1/3 fractions blocks on our left side and negative 20 on our right side. So if 5 1/3 blocks equals 20, that means that each one by itself would be equal to negative 4. So if my 1/3 of y is equal to negative 4, that means that my whole y would be negative 12, 4, 8, 12. And if I do the check, that would give me 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, negative 20 on this side and negative 20 on this side. My next problem is 3/2 of y equals negative 15. So since 1/2 is my fractional value, in this problem I will be solving for 1/2 of y for y and then completing the check. So here is my setup. So I have 3/2 y is equal to negative 15. And so if 3 of my half number or fractions cubes are worth 15, then each single one is worth negative 5. If half of my fraction block is worth negative 5, then my whole is worth negative 10. And when I do my check, I get negative 5, negative 10, negative 15 on this side, and negative 15 on this side. At this point, you can stop this video and complete your work for Lesson 8.